Strategic compliance in labor inspection. Strategic compliance in labor inspection refers to a proactive approach taken by employers to ensure that they are following labor laws and regulations. It involves creating a workplace environment where employees are aware of their rights and employers are committed to upholding those rights. The goal is to create a safe and productive work environment for everyone involved. In order to achieve strategic compliance, employers need to have a thorough understanding of labor laws and regulations that apply to their industry. They need to be proactive in identifying potential areas of non-compliance and take necessary steps to rectify any issues. This may involve conducting regular audits, implementing training programs, and establishing clear policies and procedures. By prioritizing compliance, employers can not only avoid legal issues and penalties, but also foster a positive work culture. Employees are more likely to feel valued and respected when their rights are protected, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Additionally, a compliant workplace is less likely to face labor disputes and conflicts, creating a harmonious and efficient work environment. Strategic compliance also benefits society as a whole. When employers follow labor laws, it helps to ensure fair treatment of workers and reduces the risk of exploitation. This contributes to a more equitable society and promotes social welfare. Why is strategic compliance essential? The traditional approach to labor inspection has typically been focused on punishment rather than prevention. This means that inspectors primarily seek out violations and issue penalties or sanctions. However, a strategic approach to labor inspection aims to shift the focus towards preventing issues before they even occur. This means that inspectors work proactively to identify potential problems and address them before they become serious violations. One of the key benefits of this preventive approach is that it allows for long-term improvements in working conditions. Instead of simply addressing immediate violations, inspectors work with employers, unions, and workers to develop strategies and implement changes that will lead to sustained improvements over time. This can include measures such as providing training and education, implementing safety protocols, and improving working conditions. In order for this preventive approach to be successful, it is crucial to engage all relevant stakeholders. This means involving employers, unions, and workers in the inspection process and decision-making. By including these stakeholders, plans can be developed that are realistic and effective. Employers can provide valuable insights into the specific challenges they face and the resources they have available, while unions and workers can offer their perspectives on the issues they encounter in the workplace. Overall, a preventive approach to labor inspection is a more proactive and strategic way of ensuring safe and fair working conditions. By focusing on prevention rather than punishment, long-term improvements can be achieved, and by engaging all stakeholders, plans can be developed that are tailored to the specific needs and challenges of each workplace. Role of labor inspection. Labor inspectors are the linchpins in ensuring that workplaces adhere to labor laws. They are tasked with monitoring workplaces is an essential part of ensuring that companies are complying with regulations and maintaining a safe and healthy environment for their employees. Regular inspections are conducted to identify any potential violations or hazards that may exist. In addition to regular inspections, workplaces may also be monitored in response to complaints or reports of non-compliance. Employees or members of the public can report concerns about working conditions or safety measures, and these complaints are taken seriously and investigated accordingly. This allows for the identification and resolution of any issues that may have been overlooked during regular inspections. Identifying non-compliance involves assessing various aspects of the workplace. This includes reviewing contracts to ensure that they are in compliance with labor laws and regulations. It also involves evaluating working conditions, such as the cleanliness and organization of the workplace, as well as the availability and proper use of safety measures, such as protective equipment and emergency exits. Enforcement actions are taken based on the severity of the violation. In some cases, a warning may be issued to the company, informing them of the violation and providing them with an opportunity to rectify the issue. More serious violations may result in fines or legal proceedings, where the company is held accountable for their non-compliance. Overall, monitoring workplaces, identifying non-compliance, and enforcing regulations are crucial steps in ensuring the well-being and safety of employees. These processes aim to maintain a level playing field for businesses and protect the rights of workers. Benefits of a proactive approach. Guidance and education. Training sessions for employers on labor laws aim to provide employers with the knowledge and understanding necessary to comply with labor laws and regulations. These training sessions typically cover a range of topics, including minimum wage requirements, overtime regulations, workplace safety standards, and anti-discrimination laws. By educating employers on these laws, the goal is to prevent violations and ensure fair treatment of workers. These training sessions may be conducted by government agencies, labor unions, or private organizations specializing in labor law compliance. Dialogue promotion. Encouraging communication between workers and management is essential for fostering a positive work environment and resolving conflicts effectively. This can be achieved through various means, such as setting up regular meetings or forums where workers can voice their concerns and management can address them. Additionally, open-door policies can be implemented, allowing workers to approach their supervisors or managers with any issues or suggestions they may have. By promoting dialogue, workers feel heard and valued, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. It also allows management to understand the needs and concerns of their workforce, enabling them to make informed decisions and implement policies that benefit both the employees and the organization as a whole. Overall, both guidance and education on labor laws and the promotion of dialogue between workers and management are crucial in creating a fair and harmonious work environment. By ensuring employers are well informed about labor laws and encouraging open communication, organizations can prevent labor law violations, address conflicts, and foster positive relationships between workers and management. Developing a strategic compliance plan. Creating a strategic compliance plan involves a step-by-step process that is both thorough and adaptable. Here's a simplified breakdown. Risk assessment. Identifying potential compliance issues and prioritizing them. For example, AI algorithms can be used to predict which industries are most likely to have labor law violations. Resource allocation. Efficiently using available resources to address risks. For example, a labor inspectorate relocates resources to focus on high-risk sectors. Stakeholder involvement. Engaging with all parties for a well-rounded plan. For example, a roundtable discussion with trade unions and employer associations shapes the inspection strategy. Technology integration. Leveraging tech for data analysis and remote inspections. For example, an online reporting system streamlines the complaint process. Capacity building. Training inspectors on legal frameworks and risk management. Monitoring and evaluation, tracking progress and making necessary adjustments. Conclusion. Labor inspection is not just about catching non-compliance. It's about fostering an environment where compliance is second nature. By adopting a strategic approach, labor inspectors can work towards creating workplaces that are fair, safe, and productive for everyone involved.